Okay, so my dirt bike wouldn't start. Just made a clicking noise after a ride we went on. And sorry about the wind. It wasn't the battery. It was something I encountered before. So I'm going to put this on YouTube for everybody. Dirt bike not starting, just making a clicking sound. The little chain, if you take this cover off where your flywheel's at, boom, boom, you got your starter right here. And this is a little Chinese dirt bike, a towel. Basically what happened is this little guide for the starter chain is coming out. This is the second time it's done this. So it came loose. The starter chain is getting stuck where this guide would go. And now it won't move. It's just tight. So you just gotta kind of spin. That's what I did last time. Hopefully, yeah, there we go. Spin it. There it goes. It broke loose. So now the chain is loose. Not stuck on that little tooth. So yeah, basically it was hung up. It was too tight. So I'm going to put this guide back in place. I'm going to need to figure out a way to kind of get this thing to stay better, because it's not wanting to stay in place. But basically it goes in there, boom, boom, and it just guides that starter chain along. So now after this I'm going to test it. But yeah, everything's nice and smooth now. I just got to reattach everything, and then I will make the second part, starting it up, which it'll probably start now. But yeah, basically starter chain hung up, it just clicks. So it just causes the starter to it wants to act like the starter's not working when actually it's just in a bind. So alright, now we're gonna start her up. Starts right up. Boom. Fixed.